Thank you for purchasing T-Sonik Mini. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to install your water activator. In the box, you will find your T-Sonik Mini, a faucet adapter, shower hose connectors, and universal wrench for removing the faucet aerator, gaskets, and handy tissue bag to store your T-Sonik Mini kit. To install your activator on a faucet with a male connector, you will only need your T-Sonik Mini. Remove the faucet aerator. Screw T-Sonik Mini onto the faucet. Let the water flow to make sure there are no leaks. Your T-Sonik Mini is correctly installed and ready to use.